Hello friends, today I want to talk about the Binance exchange and how to work with it. Binance is the largest centralized cryptocurrency exchange in the world, launched in 2017, and now has over 200 million users, where you can buy and sell 350 types of cryptocurrencies. So how does it work? Well, Binance itself doesn't sell cryptocurrencies. Instead, it connects buyers and sellers and takes a commission. So how much are the fees? Look, under normal circumstances for regular users, the fees are about 10%. But if you use BNB, which is the exchange's own currency, you will receive discounts. Alright, let's move on to the tutorial for creating an account on Binance. First, go to the Binance.com website and click on the register button. On the Binance registration page, fill out the registration form with your email and a unique password. Make sure to enter a valid email so that you can use it if any issues arise in the future. Also, your password must be at least 8 characters long, including numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and a special character. The invitation code is for when someone has referred you to Binance, which is optional, and you can skip this option. After entering your email and password, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the QR account to create your account. After registration, you need to check your email and view the message from Binance. Then click on the registration confirmation link to activate your account. Well, your account has been successfully activated. After confirming your email, you will see a message indicating that your account has been activated. Now you can log into your account by clicking on the Login option. Now let's move on to activating two-factor authentication, 2FA. After creating an account on Binance for your security, you should activate two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short, is a method for logging into your account. To activate two-factor authentication on Binance, you can use either SMS or the Google Authenticator app. To do this, after logging into your Binance account, click on Enable Google Authentication in the Security section. If it's your first time logging into your account, you will see a message prompting you to activate two-factor authentication, where you can choose Google Authentication. Alright, now let's move on to activating two-factor authentication on your phone. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After installing the app, click on Next. Scan the QR code with the Google app or manually enter the code shown on the website into your phone's app and then click Next. On the next page, a backup key will be displayed to you, which you should record somewhere, preferably somewhere other than your mobile phone. Enter your Binance account password and the authenticator code. The Google Authenticator code is the one displayed to you in the app. After enabling this feature, each time you log into your account, you must enter the app code on the website in addition to your password. Now, we want to teach you how to fund your Binance Exchange account. To trade on the Binance Exchange, you need to fund your account with Tether USDT. It is also possible to fund with dollars and euros. You can also send other cryptocurrencies to your Binance wallet. Follow these steps to fund your Binance account. Enter the deposit section. Log into your Binance account and go to the wallet section, then click on Fiat and Spot. Then click on Deposit. In the deposit section, select the desired cryptocurrency and copy the wallet address that Binance provides you. Then send your cryptocurrencies to that address. After sending your cryptocurrencies to the Binance exchange, you need to wait a few minutes for the currencies to be sent. You need to wait a few minutes for your transactions to be confirmed on the network. Then the amount will be deposited into your account, and you can proceed with your trades. Now let's move on to trading cryptocurrencies. In this exchange, you first need to go to the market of the cryptocurrency you are interested in. For example, if you have Bitcoin and want to convert it to Ripple, you need to enter the Bitcoin markets, also known as the BTC markets. Well, go to the market section on the Binance homepage. Then select your desired market. Here, as an example, we will enter the Bitcoin markets. In the Bitcoin markets, you can give Bitcoin and receive other cryptocurrencies, or vice versa. In the Binance coin markets, you can trade your cryptocurrencies with Binance coin, which is symbolized as BNB. Transactions in this market have a 25% discount. In the altcoin market, it is possible to trade cryptocurrencies with Ripple, Ethereum, and Tron. This means you can give Ethereum Ripple and Tron and receive cryptocurrencies, or vice versa. In the dollar markets, it is possible to trade with dollars or stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital currencies whose price is always stable. Now let's assume we want to buy Ripple using Bitcoin. Therefore, we enter the Bitcoin markets and click on the Bitcoin Ripple currency pair to enter the Ripple Bitcoin trading page. On the Bitcoin Ripple trading page, you can buy Ripple using Bitcoin or sell your Ripple in exchange for Bitcoin. Option 1 shows the status of the currency pair over the past day. 2 shows the list of sell orders. 3 shows the list of buy orders. 4 shows the price chart. In option 5, you can choose the type of your order. 6. Purchase order form. 7. Sales order form. 8. It is possible to access other currency trades. In this section, no, shows the transaction history. Now let's move on to the types of trading on the Binance exchange. Quick trade and programmed trade. For quick trading on the Binance exchange, you need to set the order type to market from within the trading page and the buy and sell form. In this type of order, the exchange automatically places the order at the best price for us. For example, imagine we are quickly buying Ripple using Bitcoin. For this, we use the Ripple purchase section in the trading form. In the Ripple purchase section, we set the order type to market. Now you just need to enter the desired amount. By selecting any of 25, 50, 75, and 100%, you can choose how much of your assets will be allocated to purchasing your desired currency. Now, let's move on to programmed trading on the Binance exchange. Programmed buying and selling means that you have conducted a timed analysis. For example, you want to buy and sell your cryptocurrency at a specific price. To do this, you need to set your order type to limit or stop limit. A limit order is an order that you place at a specific price, and it is completed when the prices reach your desired price. For example, suppose the current price of Ripple is $22, but according to your analysis, you predict that the price will drop to $20. Therefore, you place a limit order at $20 so that when the price reaches that point, your order is executed. Now let's move on to the stop limit order. In a stop limit order, you tell the system that when the price reaches X, place my order at price Y. With this type of order, you can have your order executed even when you are not present. Traders use this type of order to stop losses. For example, suppose the price of Ripple is $20. You can place an order so that when the price reaches $19.08, your order is placed at $19.07 to prevent further loss. There is another type of order for professional traders called OCO. Binance has provided the option for quick conversion of cryptocurrencies for those who are not familiar with trading or do not want to get involved in order placement and its similar processes. With this feature, the user only needs to select the cryptocurrency they have and decide into which cryptocurrency and in what amount they want to convert it. Binance checks market prices and registers the best price for the user. However, this feature is currently active for only a limited number of cryptocurrencies. To use this feature, you just need to go to the Convert section from the Trade menu. On the Convert page, you simply need to enter the cryptocurrency you currently have, and in the second section, the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Then, enter the amount you wish to convert in the first section. Next, click on Preview Conversion to see the amount you will receive. The system will then automatically tell you how much of the other asset you can trade with this amount. If you confirm the amount, simply click on the Convert option to complete the conversion. In addition to exchange services, Binance offers several other services, the most important of which include margin trading, futures trading, and Binance lending. In margin trading, you can borrow from the exchange in various amounts, although it carries a high risk. In futures trading, you have the option to bet on the price of that currency, which also carries a high risk. In Binance lending, you can keep your cryptocurrencies in the Binance exchange and receive your fixed annual deposit interest. And finally, I must say that using the Binance exchange might seem a bit difficult at first, but after conducting a few trades, you gradually become proficient in it. Don't forget that trading cryptocurrencies can be as profitable as it can be risky. Therefore, personally, I might not allocate more than 5% of my assets to cryptocurrencies. Well, that's it for today's video. We'd be happy if you subscribe to our channel